Mitral regurgitation is the most common valvular heart disease, in which the mitral valve doesn't close properly and blood leaks back into the left atrium. Valcare presents AMEND, a specialized transeptal catheter-based system intended to perform surgical-style mitral valve repair with direct annuloplasty. AMEND is a semi-rigid, closed D-shaped ring that utilizes a unique time-saving anchoring mechanism. An introducer sheath is advanced from the femoral vein, along the IVC into the left atrium, through the interatrial septum. Once the introducer is positioned in the left atrium, the dilator and guide wire are retrieved, and the AMEND delivery system is advanced through the introducer into the left atrium. The ring is then advanced into the left atrium, changing the linear configuration within the catheter to form its final D-shaped geometry. The ring ends are then locked together to form the final closed semi-rigid configuration. Using the advanced delivery system, the operator positions and aligns the ring with the mitral plane. The anterior portion of the ring is positioned at its landing zone on the annulus, and the dedicated track anchors are engaged within the trigones. The implant is then translated, positioning the posterior portion of the ring at its landing zone on the annulus. The posterior anchors are then activated, attaching the ring to the posterior annular tissue. At this point, the ring is returned to the anterior landing zone by tension on the track tethers, reducing the anterior-posterior dimension of the valve. Following precise alignment, the anterior anchors are activated, completing attachment of the implant to the annulus. The track anchors are recaptured and the implant is released, allowing for system retrieval. This simple procedure leads to reduction or elimination of mitral regurgitation due to improved leaflet coaptation. This unique technology serves as a standalone repair, akin to surgical standard of care. AMEND is the only transeptal system intended to perform direct annuloplasty using a semi-rigid D-shaped closed ring design for mitral valve repair. Much like a surgical annuloplasty ring, AMEND can serve as the base technique for complex multi-device interventions with leaflet or cordal repair systems. It also represents the first stage for mitral valve replacement with Valcare's dedicated mitral bioprosthesis.